In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list in Aweber. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Aweber. In the results, look for the official site. Make sure the URL shows aweber.com and that you see a secure padlock in the address bar. Click that link to head to the home page. Once you're on the site, go to the Sign In option, typically found at the top right. Log into your account to access your dashboard. If you use extra security like two-factor authentication, complete that as prompted so you can continue. Inside your account, find the main navigation menu and select the Lists tab. This is where you'll create and manage the audiences you'll email. It's a good idea to decide on your list's purpose before you click ahead, whether it's for a newsletter, a product waitlist, or a specific campaign, so the details you enter are consistent. Click the Create New List button to launch the setup wizard. This guided flow walks you through the essentials, and you can take your time here to get each detail right. Begin by providing your company or brand name and your website URL. You'll also need to choose a physical mailing address. This is required for compliance with anti-spam regulations and will typically appear in your email footer. Use a professional, valid address. A business address or P.O. box is common if you don't want to display a home address. Next, enter the sender name and sender email your subscribers will see in their inbox. Pick a sender name that clearly identifies your brand and use a domain-based email address for better deliverability and trust. If you have domain authentication set up, this is a great place to use that verified address. Give your list a clear internal name that helps you recognize it later, such as Newsletter, North America, or Course Launch Waitlist. Add a short, friendly description that explains what the list is for. Keep it accurate and respectful. Subscribers may see this on the unsubscribe page, so it should set the right expectations. Choose the language for your double opt-in confirmation email, then review the subject line and message body. Make the subject straightforward and recognizable, and keep the message concise with a clear confirmation action. Aim for plain, trustworthy language that matches your brand's voice and avoids spammy phrases. When everything looks good, click Create List. Aweber will save your settings and add the list to your account. That's it. Your list is ready to use, and you're all set for your next steps in building and engaging your audience.